Hey, Aaron here. Really excited to bring you this tutorial on how to create a Substack clone using Webflow and MemberStack. So as a word of warning, there's the word MemberStack and Substack that are really close in this tutorial, so I may mix them up. Apologies if I do. So in this quick intro, I'll show you what Substack is, and then I'll show you what our clone looks like. And then in the following tutorials, we'll break it down step by step to really be able to show you how to do it with Webflow and MemberStack. So let's get started. So I'm here on Cynicism, which is one of the most popular newsletters on Substack. And what Substack does is that it allows writers to write posts or articles and put some of them private and allows users to subscribe to them. And then most importantly, what it does is that as a writer, I can set a price, let's say $10, $15 a month. And the subscribers who pay that amount will get access to my private posts. So let's go ahead and look at, one of the Cynicism, the most popular, or one of the most popular newsletters on Substack. So you're always greeted when you get to a Substack with a subscription link, and we're going to build that as well. And then if you don't want to subscribe right away, you can get a preview. And so you have a quick introduction at the top. And then you see which ones the posts are paid, right? So if I do want to see all this posts, I need to subscribe. Let's go ahead and do that. And it'll give me some options. I can go for free, and this gives me access to the public posts. I can pay annually, and I can pay monthly. So back to the actual article, the Substack, if the post is free, I can see all of it. And so really this is what we want to recreate. So I'll show you what ours looks like. So if I go into my subscribe page, this would be the home page of our Substack, there we go, Substack clone. Similarly, I can subscribe, submit my email like that, or what I can do is preview the newsletter and get access to posts, right? So if the post is public like this one, I see all of it. Whereas when it's private, I have to upgrade. So let me go ahead and upgrade. Upgrade at gmail.com. My password, I'm going to sign up. I'm going to put my test credit card in. And if I do that, I get redirected to somewhere where there's no kind of hidden posts, right? So I see all of the posts like that. And then I can kind of unsubscribe, log out, and do things like that. So this is kind of the first step, and this is what we're going to go through building this Substack clone over the next few tutorials. See you there.